Hey mamas, it's your Cajun Stork here. Did you know that during pregnancy you're supposed to be getting 75 to 100 grams of protein every single day? With that amount of protein, it's really hard to eat that much food. And so in today's video, I'm gonna talk to you about some sneaky ways to get protein in while you're pregnant. But before I begin, my name is Midwife Kira, and I believe that confidence in birth comes from being prepared. And as a midwife, I know exactly how to get you there. Consider subscribing to my channel and joining in today's conversation about sneaky ways to get in protein during pregnancy. So the reason why you need so much protein during your pregnancy is because protein is the building blocks of both your baby and your body during pregnancy. So if you're watching yourself gain weight on the scale, this is a really good thing because during pregnancy, there's so many changes going on in your body. Your blood volume expands by about 50%. You're growing breast tissue so that you can breastfeed your baby. You're creating fat storages for extra protection during breastfeeding. Of course, you're also growing a human being, a placenta, amniotic fluid, and the list just goes on and on. And so protein helps you by being those building blocks of your pregnancy, and it's really important that you focus on getting enough protein during your pregnancy for optimal nutrition and health. Now, with 75 grams of protein a day during pregnancy, you can imagine that that is a lot of food. The first thing I recommend to my pregnant mamas is that we focus all of our meals around protein first, and then healthy fats, and then we start adding to our plates from there. And so one of the last things you need to be putting is empty carbs like white rice or white potatoes, and really start focusing on protein-rich meals. Now, for even some of the best eaters, getting 75 grams of protein a day can be quite a challenge. And so a sneaky way to get in protein that I recommend to most of my mamas is to eat or drink really a protein shake before we start our day in the morning. Now, Garden of Life is one of my favorites protein powders, but for any protein powder that you choose during your pregnancy, the most important thing to take into consideration is the ingredients list. I always recommend 5 ingredients or less when it comes to add-ons, not like whole food based stuff, but like add-ons. And also I want you to be able to pronounce every ingredient in the list. And the first ingredient should not be sugar. And so what I like about Garden of Life's protein powder is that it has a variety of whole foods in it, along with vitamins and minerals that come from these whole foods. And so it's a sneaky way to get in almost like an extra prenatal vitamin during the day and also help you reach that 75 grams of protein. Now, there are so many good protein powders on the market. Feel free to share your favorite one in the comments below, but Garden of Life is my recommendation. And in fact, I grabbed this from my pantry because I drink this at home, both as a midwife and as a busy mom. So if you have any other recommendations, like I said, let us know in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you at one of my other Midwife Monday videos. Thanks for watching this week. Bye-bye.